testimony. You are eminently glorious, immaculately beautiful. I can go on and on, but my words are not enough. My vocabularies will fail me, 'cause you are eminently glorious. I can go on and on, but my words are not enough. My vocabularies will fail me. Permit me to cry out, Ibawo.